Today I am going to explain DS case study. Myself Krupa Sahitya, my team members are Akila and Banu Prakash. Today I am going to explain implementation in dictionary by using hashing. Introduction: what is hashing? How does it work? Hashing is the process of converting a given key into another small value for 0, 1 retrieval time. This is done by taking the help of some functions or algorithm which is called as hash function to map data to some encrypted or simplified representative value, which is termed as hash coding or hash. This hash is then used as an index to narrow down search. Let's see the hash function generation critical to get data quickly. Let's see the hash table. Let's see here key 1, key 2, key 3, then it's give to hash function, then it's go to hash value 1, hash value 2, hash value 3, hash value 3, then it goes to index and value. Let's see 0, 1, 2, 3, and second we can take that null value. Hash can be considered as a significant improved over DAT to reduce the space complexity. In our example of employee system that we have seen in the introduction part, we can simplify, pass the employee ID to our hash function, get the hash code and use it as key to accrue over records. Literature survey. Let's see the disadvantages of dictionary implementation without using hashing. Both are used to store data with a specific index set to identify each record in a unique way. In general, it is the form of key value pairs where both key and value can be any data type including structures or classes. The usage for this kind of data collections is to find a specific record real fast based on a key value. This works best if the index or key is sorted in ascending or descending order. This will allow for a binary search, so we can find a record with a minimum number of complex, but it adds extra overhead when you need to insert a new record, as might need to insert it somewhere in the middle of the index to maintain the sort order. This means that the key of the index is beyond the needs to move up the on index. As a result, while searching is fast, adding new records is not reasonably fast. Although you might through the tree or balanced hash table solve this by calculating a hash value over the key. This is the value then identifies the location for a bucket in memory. So the hash could result in a value between 0 and 100, and an array would you have 100 buckets. So finding a specific record is just a matter of calculating hash to get to the right bucket.
Analysis. The dictionary problem. A dictionary can be seen a database of records. In each record we discuss the key part and the data part. When sorting such a database, we sort according to the key part and the rest of the record gets a free ride. For example, we might sort an array of employee records, the alphabetic order of an employee name, or into numeric order of salary, or into data order of joining the company. Same records, different keys. The cost comparison will depend on the size of the key. The cost of exchange or copy will depend on the size of the record. Proposed solution. Our methodology solves the larger comparison problems, which adds lots of overhead to the computer by implementing dictionary through hashing, which eliminates the more number of comparison. Methodology. Open addressing. In this technique, we ensure that all records are stored in the hash table itself. The size of the table must be greater than or equal to the number of key values available. In this case, the array gets filled up. We increase the size of table by copying all the data whenever needed. Analysis of opening address. The performance of hashing technique can be evaluated under the assumption that each key is equally likely and uniformly hashed at any slot of the hash table. Consider the table size as total number of slots in the hash table, n as number of keys to be inserted into the table. Then load factor alpha is equals to n by table size. Alpha is less than 1. Accepted time taken search insert deletion operation less than 1 by 1 alpha. Hence such insert delete operations take at max 1 by 1 alpha time. Resources and techniques. The techniques used in the method is opening address using double hashing. How do we handle the following operations in this techniques? Let us below. Insert key. When we try to insert a key as the button which is already occupied, we keep probing the hash table until an empty slot is found. Once we find the slot, we insert key into that. Search key. While search for key in the hash table, we keep probing until slot's values does not become equal to key or until an empty slot is found. Delete key. While performing delete operation, when we try to simple delete key, then the search operation for that might fail. Hence, deleted key slots are marked as deleted so that we get the status of the key when searched at the time. Opening address tells us the address of Location of the key to be placed is not determined by hash value technique for the following opening address.
Double hashing. In this method, we follow the idea of applying a second hash function on the key whenever a collision occurs. It can be done as follows: hash1 key plus c hash2 key table size, where c keeps incremented by 1 upon every collision to find the next free slot. Here hash1 is the first hash function and hash2 is the second hash function applied in case of collision, and table size is the size of the hash table. First hash function can be defined as hash1 key percentage table size. Second hash function is popularly like hash2 key equal to prime number key, where prime number is the prime number smaller than table size. Validation. Analysis of open addressing. The performance of hashing technique can be evaluated under the assumption that each key is equally likely and uniformly hashed to any slot of the hash table. Consider table size as the number of slots in the hash table, n as the number of keys to be inserted into the table. Then lot factor alpha is equals to n by table size. Alpha is less than 1. Except the time taken to search, insert, delete operations. Conclusion. Our detailed analysis shown the advantages and efficiency of implementation dictionary using hash tables, along with the techniques and methodologies.
These are the references link. Thank you.